I was hired out of Brooklyn Law School by a railroad law firm, and I've practiced field law, labor law, for my entire career. In point of fact, I was trained by railroad lawyers, so I'm third-generation railroad lawyer. I've been designated counsel to many crafts on the railroad, such as the Supervisors Union, the Commons Union, the Machinists, and I'm totally aware of the ins and outs of the pleadings, the collective bargaining agreements, the labor agreements that you need to have as a railroad attorney, because the failure to plead even a specific statute can cost a railroad worker hundreds of thousands of dollars at trial.